Pell City homeowners are always looking for smart ways to improve comfort while keeping energy costs under control. With hot, humid summers and cooler winter periods, windows play a major role in how efficiently a home maintains indoor temperatures. One window style that delivers both visual appeal and impressive performance is the modern picture window. While often chosen for their expansive views and natural light, today's picture windows also offer meaningful energy-saving benefits that make them a smart upgrade for Pell City residences. Here's how modern picture windows help homeowners save energy without sacrificing comfort or style. Fixed design minimizes air leakage. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is that they are fixed, meaning they do not open or close. This design eliminates many of the common weak points where air leakage occurs in operable windows. Because there are no moving sashes, no hinges or sliding tracks, fewer seals that can wear out, picture windows create a tighter barrier against outdoor air. In Pell City's warm climate, this helps keep cooled air inside during summer and prevents heat loss during cooler months. Advanced glass technology improves insulation. Modern picture windows are typically equipped with energy-efficient glass that significantly reduces heat transfer. This is especially important for Pell City homes exposed to strong sunlight throughout the day. Energy-saving glass features include double or triple pane construction. Argon gas fills between panes. Low-E coatings that reflect solar heat. These technologies work together to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing reliance on air conditioning and heating systems. More natural light reduces electricity use. Picture windows are known for their large, unobstructed glass areas that allow abundant natural light to fill living spaces. With brighter interiors, homeowners rely less on artificial lighting during daylight hours. This results in lower electricity usage, reduced lighting-related energy costs, more inviting, naturally lit rooms. In Pell City homes, where daylight is plentiful, picture windows help maximize free, natural illumination. Reduced heat gain without sacrificing brightness. A common concern with large windows is excess heat gain. Modern picture windows address this issue through specialized coatings that block unwanted heat while still allowing sunlight in. Low-E glass reflects infrared heat, protects interiors from UV damage, keeps rooms bright without overheating. This balance is ideal for Pell City homeowners who want open, sun-filled spaces without higher cooling bills. Improved temperature consistency throughout the home. Older windows often create hot or cold spots near exterior walls. Because modern picture windows are well insulated and tightly sealed, they help distribute indoor temperatures more evenly. Homeowners notice fewer uncomfortable temperature fluctuations, more usable space near windows, improved comfort in living rooms and common areas. Consistent temperatures mean HVAC systems don't need to work as hard to maintain comfort. Pairing picture windows with venting styles boosts efficiency. Many Pell City homeowners combine picture windows with operable windows such as casement or double-hung styles. This approach maximizes energy efficiency while maintaining ventilation options. Benefits include energy efficiency from the fixed picture window, fresh air from operable side windows, improved airflow during mild weather. This combination design supports both comfort and energy savings. Durable frames maintain performance over time. Modern picture windows are available with frame materials designed to hold up in Pell City's climate. Popular options include vinyl frames for excellent insulation and low-maintenance, fiberglass frames for stability and durability, composite frames engineered for long-term performance. Durable frames ensure seals remain tight and energy performance stays consistent for years. Professional installation maximizes energy savings. Even the most energy-efficient picture window won't perform properly if installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures accurate sizing and alignment, complete insulation around the frame, secure sealing against air leaks. This step is critical for achieving full energy-saving benefits. A bright, efficient upgrade for Pell City homes. Modern picture windows offer Pell City homeowners more than beautiful views. They deliver real energy-saving advantages. With tight seals, advanced glass technology, abundant natural light, and durable construction, picture windows help reduce energy use while enhancing everyday comfort. For homeowners looking to improve efficiency and brighten their living spaces, modern picture windows are a smart, long-term investment that pays off season after season.